In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert USDC to USDT on BloFin. Now to do this, first you want to open your dashboard and sign into your account. And then from here, you want to go to the top here where it says Spot. You want to hover over it and you want to click on the Convert button, which is the second one down here. Now, if you want to convert here, you'll see that there we go. You'll have to select USDC, of course, if you're converting from USDC, and then to USDT if you're converting into USDT. You could do vice versa as well, but we're going to do as the video title states, so USDC to USDT. So here we're going to do from, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to search for USDC, and I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to go to, and I'm going to search for USDT, which pops up automatically, and there we go, we have USDC to USDT, okay? And here you can see kind of the rate you're going to get. Now, of course, I have to select the correct account as well, because I do have some in my spot account, but none on my funding, so I'm going to click on confirm, and then there we go. As you can see, I have this much available. Now I'm going to go and type in, for example, the amount. We're going to do just maximum for this example, so max, there we go. And as you can see, I got the conversion rate. I can go ahead and hit this preview button, so make sure you double check. So we have from USDC to USDT. I'm going to click preview and then confirm this, and there we go. As you can see, it's been successful. I've successfully converted USDC to USDT on BloFin. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.